How to remove background sound in TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. And here you can either shoot or upload a video. So I'm going to upload a random one. Say for example, this one right here. Now, once you are on this page right here, what you need to do is click on the option that says add sound at the top right corner of the screen. And here at the bottom right of your screen, click on volume. And you will see this feature that says original sound. So what you need to do is you need to mute this one right here by bringing it all the way to 0. And from there, click on done. And by doing that, you have just removed the sound from this video, and you can either record a voiceover or you can add music from the library, whatever suits you the best. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove background sound in TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the